Hi. Recently, Windows 11 has given a new feature called Search, which is very powerful and brings results in storming speed. This will help you to get files for 50 times faster than normal Windows Explorer search. The search you can see on the screen. Simply typing Windows and F3 at the same time will bring you the search on the display. I am searching for one of my C++ notes, and you could see that just by writing the name, the file is there. Again, I am searching for another file, German exercises. The great speed it has a scene. And the movie called Mr. Bean, it is there. You can also sort your search by category like pictures, documents, videos, etc. This will filter your search and will bring you the exact category files. To get this feature, you may need to update your Windows version to the latest one. And mine is this version in OS build. But if you face issues with this search tool, simply try this software which I have made a video with. This software also searches with a lightning speed of all types of files in your computer. The video link will be on the description as well. Hope this video helped you a lot to get direction on PC file search. Be with us and also help us to make more videos like this. Goodbye.